This is what the beef patty pizza is looking like.
Because you want somebody to detonate. Oh my God. The only Jamaican flute in Caribana.
Yo, look for run. I ain't gonna lie, yo. Man, I said shots are busting off. I didn't even start. I just started running because niggas started running. When niggas started running, fuck out. Stay simple. We still here. It's not over. We still doing our thing. Earlier, we're at Caribana. People started running. I'm like, yo, I'm not staying here. Let's get out of here. So we're over here at Beast's Pizza. We came to grab the beef patty pizza. I pre-ordered it. It came to like $36. We're here now. Let's go try it out. Thank you very much. The sauce is in here?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
It's a fermented Scotch bonnet honey.
Okay, and
The beef patty.
beef patty pizza. All right, thank you.
Most people don't think so, but there is cheese underneath patty filling.
Yeah, I was checking on the internet. I was gonna ask for extra cheese, but then I seen that it actually said cheese.
Yeah, so we make the dough
Yeah.
and we add turmeric to it. It's a regular pizza dough.
Yeah.
Add turmeric to it and
Yeah.
then it's spread out, put in the oven with mozzarella on top.
Okay.
When it comes out, it has the patty filling spread.
Okay, perfect. All right, thanks very much. This is what the beef patty pizza is looking like. It looks nice. It looks like juicy as hell. The crust looks like an actual beef patty. Crust is crispy. You see that? That's what the bottom is looking like. Bottom is looking like an actual pizza. All right, so let's rip this apart. Yeah, it rips apart like a regular pizza. So like what my guy said, there's cheese on this, but you just can't see it. It's at the bottom. All right. Woo, it smells good. It smells like you can smell the turmeric in there. It has a very, very high like roti, like curry smell to it. First bite. Wow. Just off the first bite, it tastes exactly like a beef patty. The crust itself, it's like they perfected it to the point that it's like actual pizza. It's like crispy, it's like actual pizza dough, just not pizza dough. Beef patty though. The meat, savory, nice amount of seasoning, juicy. Not gonna lie, this is a good pizza. Fire. Pizza by itself, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. Never had anything like this. Probably never will have anything like this again. Like I said, there is cheese on this. You just can't see it. It's on the bottom. I can taste it. Your crust is amazing. Tastes like a beef patty. Not texture like a beef patty. Texture like a pizza though. You guys need to come check this out. I definitely come back for this. This is fire. All right, I'll put a little bit of Scotch bonnet honey sauce on this. This is what the Scotch bonnet honey sauce looks like. Let me taste it by itself. It's sweet. You can taste the honey. It's savory. The spice level is up there still. Spice level is up there. All right. Put a little bit of this on here. Goes together well with the pizza. Brings up the heat level. Scotch bonnet sauce, I'm giving like a 7 out of 10. It's good. It's solid. Does it bring the level of the pizza up? Not really. Not really. I still stick on what I gave it. I like it a lot. Like it has that authentic taste to it. The crust, it has that taste, like that beef patty taste, but it's more of like a pizza crust.
Yeah, it's actually awesome. And there's a lot that goes into it too. So like the night before, each day, we'll cook a massive stock in a 60-gallon like pot.
Yes.
And
of the beef.
Boned. Yeah. And we add ripping pieces of ground beef into it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Beef patty.
Okay.
Yeah. Then there's all sorts of seasoning.
Yes. Authentic Jamaican. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, at some point, so I like it a lot.
We only make 12 a day.
12 a day. Oh, it's up to 12 a day now. I think when I first found out about it, it was like, what, like 6 a day? Oh,
we got so crazy. Like, that was in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Like up to the 12.
I'm not gonna lie, it's like 2 times I tried to come here. I tried to order like 6. But like when 6 o'clock came, the order, like, out of stock. So
when we were doing 6 a day, we'd sell out by, like, we open at 5 o'clock, we sold out by 5:10.
Okay.
Right? For 6 minutes alone.
Hey, I'm not surprised, man. This pizza's on point. Yeah. Thank you, though. Yeah. The pizza, like I said, I gave what I gave it. Solid. You should come try it. You people here have a great hospitality. Definitely come back.